Why is it easier now than ever before to go YouTube famous? Have you wondered why you see random people becoming YouTube stars out of nowhere? The reality is that content creation is easier than ever before.
Really?
I will cover two main things in this video. First, I will explain how you can master the art of visual content creation by using AI to create videos for you. And yes, not by investing tons of money into your videos, but by being smart about the usage of AI. So I will show you a trick to raise your AI video creation game.
This is awesome! This is awesome!
Oh, before we go ahead with this, I want to highlight that going viral organically has a formula, and in this video I am also going to reveal what this formula is. Don't worry, I am learning about it by studying hundreds of videos, and you can subscribe to my channel to see my little experiment almost live. Trust me, it's going to be a hell of a ride.
Okay, let's go.
So, let's say you have an idea, but you don't have a creative mind and lack time to create a good marketable script, or simply want to reduce the effort to produce quality videos. So what can you do?
Tell me!
It is simple. All you gotta do is visit this website, visla.us. After the usual sign-up, go to their editor app and input the topic that you want to talk about, just like what you do with ChatGPT. All you need to do is to provide additional context, a target audience, and some samples to get a script that is precise and to the point, and then BAM! You have a professional, engaging script that can keep your viewers hooked from start to finish.
Nice.
Behind the scenes, the script statements will be magically divided into multiple scenes. Then this app will hunt for the right stock footage from popular stock video websites. The related footage will be automatically matched and trimmed to the given scene's length and context. You can upload your own footage too, and Visla will match it with the script automatically.
Wow!
Now don't get me wrong, but this is just the start. Once it generates the initial draft content, it will provide you with an option to find new video recommendations against each of the scenes. This is the secret sauce to make even more engaging and relatable content for your audience.
What else can I help you with?
Usual editing options like adding background music, captions, stock media sourcing, etc. are also part of the overall package.
Shall we begin?
No AI can do everything to make your videos fully engaging, at least not yet. This is where you step in. You, as a video editor and subject master, still need to apply your ingenuity to make viral content, and I will show you the formula for this. But this AI can reduce the effort for you by creating the initial draft and providing content sourcing and editing support. Let us now talk about going viral organically. While it may sound counterintuitive, market-adjacent content, or MAC, is a key ingredient of almost all viral videos.
What in God's holy name are you blathering about?
You might be wondering, what is this jargon? Let me simplify it for you first, and then I will show you one example to make it absolutely clear. MAC means do not target your audience directly. Instead, start by focusing on the space around them. Think of it as a method where you aim to deliberately miss the bullseye. The secret lies in the appeal to the masses. If you want your target market to notice you, the content you churn out for them needs to engage the broad public. These individuals might not be your target audience or potential customers, but their engagement is crucial for your target market to even notice your content in the first place.
Can I come with you and you show me how it's done?
To give you an example, let's take a step back and analyze this very video. My target audience is individuals who want to leverage AI to boost their social media presence. However, I didn't start with a phrase like, "Here's how AI can help your business to grow on social media." Instead, I began with a focus on becoming YouTube famous and going viral, a concept that fascinates many, not just businesses. By initiating a topic that resonates with the masses, I increased the likelihood of more people commenting, liking, sharing, and engaging with my content. Consequently, my target market, who are also keen on leveraging social media, will notice this. The aim is to provide value to everyone surrounding my target market, thereby increasing the probability of my content trending. Despite what the gurus say about the riches being in the niches, it's tough to trend or go viral in a space created for a hyper-specific group. Indeed, without trending or going viral organically, you'll likely never reach your target audience. Mastering this formula is pivotal to your success. Think about it.